All right, just like that, it is done. Somebody called me and you didn't get the last little bit, but it's loaded up here. As you can see, let me show you. South Florida junk removal. Your junk expert Alex out here in Plantation today to do some construction debris. Looks like a bathroom that was demoed. Let me show you what it looks like. He called me the morning of, demo was done, bags were stacked, and he wanted it gone that day. This is a remodeler I've been working with for years. He does renovation and repair work for his clients, and he's been doing this to me for at least 3 years now. Calls me day of every time like he just found my number for the first time. I've told him it'd be nice to get a heads up. He still calls the morning of. Honestly, fire truck response over here when I can swing it. Because that's the thing with demo. The build stops until the debris moves. Nobody's working a new floor under a stack of the old floor. Same day when I can get to you, next day when I can't. SouthFloridaJunk.com. Some customers ask, there's already 3 guys working here, should we reschedule? No, that won't be necessary. I work alongside other contractors all the time. Painters, plumbers, tile guys, who's ever in there. On this one, people were coming and going the whole time I was loading, and it slowed down exactly nothing. I've been on sites with 6+ trades going at once. That gets a little stuffy, I'll admit. However, we still get it done. What actually stops us isn't people, it's parking. As long as there's somewhere to put the truck for an hour or two, we're hard to stop. So don't reschedule your junk removal around other trades. Call us and we'll work around them. 1 bathroom, dozens and dozens of bags. Him and his partner had torn out the whole thing out for a client here in Plantation. Plaster walls, tile shower, vanity sink, toilet, everything. What bag they bagged, what was too big to bag, came off in sections and got stacked along the walkway. Big pieces of plaster wall, drywall, and some tiles that came off almost whole, which doesn't usually happen. Most tile comes off in pieces. Filled up my 16-foot container pretty good. People always underestimate a bathroom. Small room, enormous pile. Got a demo that needs clearing? Give us a call and let me know what you're working with. Everything you're watching came through a 2.5-foot gate. Chain link about 32 inches. And chain link fences aren't known for having enormous gates. So every bag, every section of wall, every piece of that bathroom had to come down a narrow walkway and through that gap, which makes this wheelbarrow work. Right tool for the right job, and the experience to know which one goes where and why. On a run like this, it's the barrow. Load, walk it out, come back. Anything too big for it gets carried by hand, one piece at a time. The pile tells you half of what the job costs you in effort. The path to the pile tells you the other half. Estimates are free. I'll come look at the actual path, not just the pile. They moved their vehicles for me. May seem small, makes a huge difference. This place sits off a road with some traffic on it, so where the truck ends up matters. They cleared space so I could get in close. From the back of the container to the far end of the pile, you're looking at somewhere around 50 feet, depending which bag I'm going at. Do that a few dozen times. If you can pull up right up to it, that's the dream. Doesn't always happen, and either way, we've got you. We'll walk it as far as it needs walking, but if you can move a car or open up a gate for us, my lower back is not gonna say no. Broward, North Miami-Dade, South Palm Beach, give us a call and let me know what the access looks like. I'm not filling this container to the top on purpose. When you're hauling tile and plaster and concrete, can't load one full. Too heavy. Not legal on the road, not safe on the road. What we run is called a bed load. Foot and a half deep, and that's your lot. Looks half empty, weighs more than a full load of furniture ever will. Grout, thinset, mortar, chunks of the old shower pan, that's the dense stuff. And it gets loaded so the weight sits right and stays where you put it the whole drive. Then it goes to a proper disposal facility. Construction debris is its own category and it doesn't go in with the household load. If you're the contractor, that's your name on the job. Call somebody who hauls it right. Our 954 number is linked everywhere, you can't miss it. All right, just like that, it is done. Somebody called me and you didn't get the last little bit, but it's loaded up here, as you can see. Let me show you. That's what same-day service looks like for a working contractor. Fast response, right equipment, no disruption to the rest of the crew, and debris gone before the end of the day. If you're a contractor, a homeowner mid-renovation, or an investor flipping a property in Plantation, Fort Lauderdale, or anywhere in Broward County, call or text us directly. We pick up. My 954 number is everywhere, including below the screen. All right, there you go. It's all done. South Florida junk removal. Alex, if you got some construction debris that you need hauled away, or if you got some junk, some clutter, you need to get rid of it, give us a call. Out here, you can look us up, southfloridajunk.com, or online. Estimates are free when we charge for the space that you use. Got any projects here? We cover Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach. So give us a call, let me know, and I'll be out there to help you out. All right, till the next one.